Looking for the perfect fan to upgrade your PC cooling setup? The Lian Li UNIFAN SL120 might just be the answer. With its sleek design and innovative features, it promises not only to keep your system cool but also to elevate your build's aesthetic without the hassle of complicated wiring. What sets the UNIFAN SL120 apart is its daisy chain design, allowing you to connect up to 3 fans with a single cable. This means fewer wires cluttering your case and a much cleaner look overall. Installation is a breeze thanks to its slide-in, pin-to-pin interlocking mechanism. You simply slide the fans together and they lock into place, no fumbling with multiple plugs or tangled cables. It's a smarter, faster way to build, especially if you're pairing it with the Lian Li SL123 pack or SL142 pack. But the benefits don't stop at hardware. The L-Connect software offers an intuitive control interface that's both user-friendly and reliable. Unlike some competitors' software that can be buggy or overly flashy, L-Connect gives you subtle, elegant RGB lighting options that enhance your setup without overwhelming it. Users consistently praise how smooth and stable the software runs, making customization simple and enjoyable. From personal experience and countless reviews across the United States, these fans have earned high marks for both performance and style. One user summed it up perfectly. After trying a dozen different fans and setups, Lian Li's UNIFAN stands out for its exceptional cable management and understated, beautiful lighting. It's not just about cooling, it's about building a PC you're proud to show off. If you're debating between Lian Li and other brands like Corsair, the choice becomes clearer with every detail. The UNIFAN SL120 offers cleaner installation, better cable management, and a more polished software experience. It's a setup that feels premium without being complicated or over the top. Worth a look if you want a fan that combines aesthetics with functionality and takes the stress out of installation. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your build's cooling and style effortlessly.